Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration YT65PZL. 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi 125 PS Low Roof DCab Limited L2. It has done 147,000 miles. It's a factory-fitted crew cab. The van comes with heated seats, air conditioning, cruise control, alloys, DAB radio, 2 keys, parking sensors, Bluetooth, heated screen. LWB factory crew cab with a 3-month warranty. A full service and MOT are also included in the sale. Open 7 days a week for viewing and test drives. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.